Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel AS Math. This is my first video in this channel. The official answer key of WB set 2023 was released on 19th January, but some answer of the mathematical science whose subject code is 15 have been wrongly published. I will discuss those questions in this video. Let us start Paper 2 Mathematical Science Subject Code 15. First question is 15 number from booklet series X, which is also in series Y, and question number is 8. The question is, let x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 belongs to R3 be linearly independent and delta 1 equal to eto and delta 2 equals to this and delta 3 is equal to this. The following options are u equal to this, b equal to this, c equal to this, or d equal to this. The official answer key of this question is option D, but this is wrong. Why? First of all, let a vector u be w in V. Therefore, it is dependent on x and y. Why? Because V is a linear span of x and y. Therefore, u, v, w and x and y are linearly independent. So, the following determinant equal to 0. Now we expand the determinant according to third column and we have the result u into x2 into y3 minus y2 into x3 minus v into x1 into y3 minus x3 into y1 w into x1 into y2 y1 minus x2. Okay, now we consider this equal to del 1, this equal to del 2, this equal to del 3. Then we have the result del 1 u minus del 2 v plus del 3 w equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that the option A is the right answer, but given that D is the answer, so it is wrong answer. That's why we can say that the right answer is A. Now the second question we will discuss. Question number 14 from booklet series X. This question also in series Y. Question number is 95. Question is, in the group Z plus, the subgroup generated by 2 and 7 is option A Z, option B 5Z, option C 9Z, option D 14Z. The right answer is D 14Z, but given that A is the answer. Now we see that GCD of 2 and 7 is 1, that is 2 and 7 is relatively prime. That's why the subgroup Z plus is generated by the LCM 2 and 7 is 14. So the right answer is 14Z, not Z. Okay, okay, 14Z is the right answer, therefore option D. Now the third question is from booklet series X, question number 97, also in series Y, question number 49. Question is, the steady state of system state distribution of the GM1 Qui is Poisson distribution, uniform distribution, binomial distribution, geometric distribution. Okay, the right option, according to me, the right option is Poisson distribution, but given that the answer is geometric distribution. Always Q system, the distribution is Poisson distribution. I think A is the right answer. Okay, you note that, note down question number also. Then next question is question number 6 from booklet series X, or also question number 91 from series Y. This is a LPP problem. Consider the linear programming problem max z equal to alpha x1 plus x2, subject to condition that 2x1 plus x2 less or equal to 6 minus x1 plus x2 less or equal to 1, x1 plus x2 less or equal to 4, x1 x2 greater or equal to 0, where alpha is a constant. If 3 0 is the only optimal solution, then option are A option is alpha less than minus 2, B option is minus 2 less alpha less 0, C option alpha is greater than 2, D option alpha is less than 2. This question also in GATE 2018. The right option will be C, but the given that D. Now we discuss the solution. Now we consider the equation. This equation can be written as 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 6. x3, where x3 is a slack variable. Similarly, minus x1 plus x2 plus x4 equal to 1 is also x4 also is a slack variable. Also x1 plus x2 plus x5 equal to 4. x5 also a slack variable. Okay. Now given that 3 0 is the only optimal solution, then 3 0 will satisfy the equation 1, 2 and 3. So if x1 equal to 3 and x2 equal to 0, then from 1 we get x3 equal to 0. Similarly, from x2 we get x4 equal to 4. Similarly, from x3 we have x5 equal to 1. Okay. Now we consider complementary slackness theorem. Complementary slackness theorem states that the product of ith variable of primal, ith variable of slack, the product of ith slack variable of the primal and ith variable of the dual is 0. Product of ith variable of primal and ith variable of dual is equal to 0. Here from primal, slack variables are x3, first slack variable x3, second slack variable x4, third slack variable 1, and y1 is the first variable of primal dual, y2 is the second variable of the dual, and y3 is the third variable of dual. Now the product is equal to, here product is equal to 0. Since x4 equals to 4, then we can say that y2 equal to 0, because this and the product of x4 and y2 obviously 0, and product of x5 and y3 obviously 0. Since x4 and x5 are non-zero, therefore y2 and y3 equal to 0. We see here x3 is 0, that's why I cannot say y1 equal to 0 or any number we cannot say. But here x4 and x5 are not equal to 0, that's why obviously y2 and y3 equal to 0. Okay, now the maxz here here given that maxz for primal, then minz for dual is 6y1 plus y2 plus 4y3. Okay, here y2 equal to, here is 4y3, here y2 equal to 0, y3 equal to 0, that's why 6y1. Given that 3 0 is a solution, that's why 3 y1 equal to 3 alpha, 3 alpha equal to 6y1, alpha equals to, given that alpha, sorry, 3 0 is a solution, therefore 3 alpha equal to 6y1. 3 alpha, since x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 0, that's why z equals to 3 alpha. From primal, from dual we have 6y1. The value of the objective function is same, 3 alpha equal to 6y1. That's why alpha equal to 2y1. Again 2y1 minus y2 plus y3 greater equal to alpha. Why? The constant of the dual are 2y1 minus y2 plus y3 greater equal to alpha. Now y2 equal to 0, y3 equal to 0, that's why alpha 2y1 greater equal to alpha, y1 greater equal to alpha by 2. Also y1 plus y2 plus y3 greater equal to 1, greater equal to 1. Again y2 and y3 are equal to 0, that's why y1 greater equal to 1. Again alpha equal to 2y1, we put y1 equal to alpha by 2, that is alpha greater equal to 2. So the correct option is C, not D. Okay. Next question is from statistics, question number 69 from booklet series X, also in from series Y, question number 35. Given if X is a non-negative integer valued random variable and P of S equal to e to the power e of expected, that is expectation of S to the power x, then the value of integration 0 to 1 probability of s square ds equals to option A e expectation of x squared, option B expectation of e to the power x, root over x of expectation of 1 by x plus 1, option D expectation of 2x plus 1. According to me, this is B is the right answer, but given that D is the answer. Okay, this according to me, these 5 questions are, can you challenge, you can challenge. Okay, so you can send your feedback at wbcsc set keys KYS 2023 at the gmail.com within 31st January. Okay, you should mail these 5 questions at wbcsckeys 2023 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and last, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel AS Math. Okay, thank you.